got a box in the shop today here at T Mike's. It's a mail-in repair job, and it's a big box. Let's open it up and see what we got. You never know the surprises we have when people send me something to repair. Well, it's a Gearcase, and it's a big dude. I don't normally work on these big ones. I think I know what's going on. I think this is a 35 horsepower. Here's the note that was inside. It's Monte in South Carolina. The motor is RD19, 35 horsepower, 1958. See what you got inside. Got a return shipping label. Got a check. And I remember his mail-in repair form he filled out. He said that it goes in gear in reverse, but will not go in forward. So not going in gear. Normally slipping out of gear is a worn clutch dog. Not going in gear, a shift cradle or a shift rod, some kind of problem. First thing we're going to do, I'm going to put it on my bench and see if I can shift it at all. See what his see what's going on. Shifts. That's neutral. That's reverse. And it's forward. Shifting to me. Shifted. I'm gonna put it in and put a clamp on the drive shaft and spin it, see if it's actually working or not. Alright, well, I got Monte's 35 horsepower Gearcase on my little stand right here, and I've checked it out. It shifts fine. Monte said it doesn't go in forward, only reverse. Well, here's the shift rod. It moves up and down freely. I got a vice grip on the drive shaft, and I'm spinning it clockwise, alright, with it all the way down. That would be reverse. I spin it. I got a cotter pin right here in the prop shaft. You can see it spinning counterclockwise. Okay, that's what it's supposed to do. Now I'm gonna move it up to the center right here, which is neutral, and I spin it. It's not moving. The clutch dog has disengaged. It's in the center of the prop shaft. It's not moving. Forward would be all the way up. When you shift the lever, it goes into forward. Spin it, and the cotter pin is moving clockwise. So, my conclusion is, if he can't shift it into forward, the problem is not in the Gearcase, because it's good up to this point. It's in the shift rod, the handle, the linkage. Something up in there is doing it. I'm gonna go ahead and take it apart and look at the clutch dog, make sure it's not worn, check visually inspect everything, and then I'm gonna contact Monte and tell him I haven't found anything. What does he think, before I ship it back to him? But I think the testing is good to me. So let's take it apart now and inspect it and see what it looks like inside. Okay, well, the mystery is solved. I contacted Monte, and it's not that it wouldn't shift into forward. It's that it wouldn't stay in forward gear. Jumping out of forward gear, mostly when idling. So I misunderstood him. I thought it was a shifting problem, but it's not. It's a jumping out of gear problem, which is a bad clutch dog. So we're gonna take it apart. I went ahead and drained the gear oil and pressure tested it. It's holding 10 pounds, so all the seals are good. Spaghetti seal must be good. It's all good. I'm gonna take it apart now, and we'll see the worn clutch dog. Mystery solved. Now let's get to work. Not only worn, but it's cracked. It's chipped on both sides. Both sides have chips on it. Alright, so as you can see, bad clutch dog. See the worn out chips on this side and worn out chip on this side. Bad clutch dog. I'm going to order the parts. I'm going to order this clutch dog online, and we're going to replace it and get Monte back on the water. Well, after about a week's delay, the clutch dog finally came in. There it is, brand new. Brand new clutch dog replacement. I noticed the ears on it are different. This one, the ears are wider than the other one, but brand new. Let's see if it fits, and we'll try it out. Here we go. Okay, Monte's gear case is all repaired and ready to ship back. I'm gonna send it back in the original box with the prepaid label that Monte shipped. So the mystery was solved. It was a miscommunication. It's not that he couldn't put it in forward, it's that it wouldn't stay in forward. And I found a bad clutch dog, replaced it, replaced the impeller, gear oil, tested the shifting. Everything should be fine. Headed back to Monte. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hope you learned something. If you did, go ahead and subscribe and like. And here's the next video for you to watch. And remember, save the hobby, doing it one motor at a time.